But Mom, what if I fall? You won't. But what if I do? I'll catch you. You will? Of course. Promise? Yes, Stinker, now jump. Whee! Whee! Ah! God, my arm! Oh my God! You lied, Mom! Are you hurt? Yeah, really bad. What do I do? Like and subscribe in the next 3 seconds if I should trick my mom.
Yeah, boy.
I think my arm would be healed if I had bow bugs.
Okay.
Is that enough, honey? Do you feel better? Oh, yeah. I need to pretend to be hurt more often. What was that, Tinker? I need a Lamborghini? He thinks that I don't know that he's not hurt. I really need that Lambo to feel better, Mom. Okay, sweetie pie. But first, I need you to jump for me.